All right, today, folks, we're going to take a look at how to make $19.97 over and over again, or any amount of money for that matter, using free products and free services. So first, anyways, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos I have coming out. I make videos about making money online. I upload quite frequently, folks. Also check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There you'll get a free membership. You don't need a credit card to sign up. You get 2 free websites with that, free training, and lots of other stuff. There's so much stuff there going on, so check that out as well. And let's dive into this, folks. Okay, so first up, we're gonna check out this website called resell-rights-weekly.com, and you can get a free membership. I'm already logged in here. All members, free membership downloads. You can upgrade to stuff and get other kind of stuff like that, but we're just gonna look at the free upgrade, or the free download area for now. And this backs all the way down back to August 2007, so they've been here a while. So for example, we're just gonna go into like March. March, there's nothing in March yet, actually, so hold on. We'll go into January, for example, here. And these are ebooks that you can sell. You get the resale rights, you get the cover. There's even like a sales page, for example, real estate flipping, real estate investing, running, powerful blogging. Pick something in your niche. This is like a sample page that you can either do this way, collect the email addresses and stuff, and you can give these away free as well and collect the email addresses after them as bonuses for products and stuff like that. But today we're gonna take a look at selling them for $19.97 each. So for example, we'll take this powerful blogging book here, and we'll just download it. Where's the download? Here it is, powerful blogging, download. So here we have the file we just downloaded. You have the ebook. There's a license agreement here as well you can read. Pretty much here's what you can do with this product. You cannot sell for no less than $7. It can be sold, it can be rebranded as your own, can be used for personal use, packaged with other products. You can give it away as free, even though they can't sell it for less than $7, but you can give it away for free. But there's all kinds of stuff here. You can look at that. There's a squeeze page if you want to use it for giving away for email addresses and stuff like that. But then you have the book itself, and you have some covers here. So there's the book itself, Powerful Blogging, and they said you could rebrand it as well, so you know, go here and do whatever you want. But right now we're just gonna leave it as it is. And basically, folks, we're just gonna go to another site called PayHip. There we go, PayHip, and I have my account ready to go here, set up. I logged in already, created the account, add my first product. I'm just gonna do this, add a product, and then I'm just gonna upload digital product. And this is a free service. You can upload I think 100 different products with the free service they got here. If you want to do more than 100, you gotta pay for it. So here is our product, the ebook itself. Upload that. We'll put a title. Okay, powerful blogging, and then we'll add a price. We're gonna do $19.97. That's a good price. Under 20 bucks. Keep it simple. Add an image. We're gonna upload the book cover. We could do this, or we could do that one. We'll use this one. And we can add a description, of course. For now, we're just going to leave it blank. And we'll add the product. And then we have a link that we can share. And, you know, this is the promotion part of the whole deal. You got to share the link and get it rolling with fans on Twitter or Facebook or just anywhere you want to share the link. See the product on my page. It's going to look something like so. There you go. The image and everything. You can even put a video in there too. Explaining the book if you want to. So pretty cool. And there you go, folks. Obviously you want to add description and things like that, and then you want to share your link and promote your link, and then every time someone buys your book, you get $19.97 over and over again. And you didn't have to make the book, you didn't have to do anything. You get the full rights to it. There are lots of books in here: Progressive Speed Dating, Online Dating Secrets, Online Money, Your Own Money Magazine. And this is just, you know, from January 2019, and this is all free stuff. You got free resale rights. All right, cool, folks. So there you go. If you want to check out my number one recommendation for making money online, you get a free membership. You're going to meet a lot of like-minded people to help you, support team and everything like that. Learn some tricks and also free marketing tips actually to learn how to market your books like and your thing you're selling here. You come across that as well inside the membership, and it's free to sign up. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. So it's just two free websites, free membership, free training on affiliate marketing and stuff like that, and you can learn how to promote these books in there as well. So that's all for now, folks. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe to the channel. Later.